Hi, I'm Ricky Flores, Technical Marketing Engineer at Mouser. Welcome to Engineering Bench Talk, where we show you how to get started with the latest tech from our manufacturing partners. Imagine you're in a bustling manufacturing facility where every second counts. Machines need to communicate seamlessly, maintenance needs to be predictive, and the entire system must run like a well-oiled machine. How do you achieve this level of efficiency and reliability? Welcome to the world of IO-Link technology. Let's continue with a brief overview of the hardware and software we'll be using in this video. The key components for this project include the MaxRefDes 145 8-channel IO-Link master, which facilitates communication between the IO-Link devices and the control systems, acting as the central hub to manage data flow and device interactions. The MaxRefDes 281 is designed for minimal power consumption, space efficiency, and cost effectiveness, providing a complete solution for various sensors and actuators in industrial control applications. The MAX22007 PMB provides 4 individually configurable analog outputs, enabling precise control and flexibility in harsh industrial environments. Alternatively, you could use the MAX22005 PMB if you need to configure industrial analog inputs. Now, let's get started with the software installation. First, you're going to navigate to the MaxRefDes 145 reference design page on the Analog Devices website. You're going to scroll down to the documentation and resource section and download the MaxRefDes 145 design and software support files from the design and integration section. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder, find the MaxRefDes 145 TC installer version 3.9.7136 file and unzip it. Finally, run the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions. With the software installed, let's move on to the hardware assembly. We'll start by connecting the IO-Link mastered MaxRefDes 145 to your system using the IO-Link M12 cable. One key feature of IO-Link is that the M12 connection is hot plug capable, allowing you to connect or disconnect it at any time during runtime without interrupting system operation. And yes, even in harsh industrial environments. Next, we'll use the IO-Link to PMOD adapter MaxRefDes 281 to link the MAX22007 PMB. After that, connect the USB Type B end of the USB cable to the IO-Link mastered and the other end to your control Windows PC. Finally, plug in the included 24-volt DC power supply to the IO-Link mastered. Double check that all connections are secure before moving on. With the hardware assembled, we can now demonstrate the functional system. Using the IO-Link control tool, we can monitor and control the outputs through the MAX22007 PMB. Let's take a closer look at the control interface and see our system in action. Open the IO-Link control tool that was installed on your desktop. Refresh the FTDI USB SPI interface on the left side of the application. Click the connect icon in the top left corner of the screen. Typically, IO-Link will automatically identify the connected device and load the appropriate settings if the correct IODD file is installed, eliminating the need for manual selection. However, if automatic identification does not occur, you can manually select the device by opening the device control window, clicking Select Device, and choosing the Maxim RD281 MAX22007 PMB option from the drop-down menu. Finally, click Select Device at the bottom of the window to confirm your selection. Open the device control window again if it's not already open, and click Power On. In the Parameters window, select Read All. The PD output window in the bottom right of the control tool allows you to make changes to each channel of the MAX 22007 PMB. To see a list of all available channels, just click the process data output. You can then double-click any of the formatted values of these channels and adjust the voltage or current. These adjustments will be displayed on the small LCD located on the MaxRefDes 281. By following these steps, we've demonstrated the process of setting up an IO-Link system, including software installation, hardware assembly, and system configuration for seamless communication and control. This hands-on experience highlights the efficiency and versatility of IO-Link technology in industrial automation, empowering you to achieve greater flexibility and streamline operations in your projects. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, including detailed setup guides and additional resources, check out the links provided in the description. You will find third-party software, instructional documentation, and more. IO-Link is an evolution in industrial communication, promising unparalleled efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engineering bench talk. Happy building and see you in the next video.